Hello, I'm Tingting Xu, curator of the exhibition Hisao Hanafusa Borrowing Nature's Powers. I'm delighted that you could join the virtual opening of Hanafusa's solo show held at the Fuqiumeng Fine Art in New York City, fall 2022. Hisao Hanafusa was born in Kyushu, Japan in 1937, before he arrived in New York City in 1963. In the 60s and the 70s, he was known as a minimalist painter working with steel tubes and canvas. In this exhibition, you are going to see paintings that make a key departure from the past. They are selected from the two new series he started around the year 2000. In this 6-panel folding screen, or byobu in Japanese, the artist mounted silver leaves onto the screen by himself. He then applied paint on top of the silver leaves and folded the screen. The silver particles on the mirroring panel reacted with the paint and darkened due to oxidization. 3 pairs of mysterious twin images were generated in the process. What are these twin images? Are they figures? Are they images of oneself and the shadow? This is an open question the artist left to us. He uses folds, time, oxygen, and light to complete the work during the process of folding. When I talked to Hanafusa, he always said that he didn't make the work. It was nature that made the work. Inspired by him, the exhibition is titled Borrowing Nature's Powers. Power borrowing, or 借力 in Chinese, 巧克力 in Japanese. It means to utilize nature's or others' powers to achieve desired effects and enjoy the spontaneous ease and graceful effortlessness in the process. You see the same logic in the silvery paintings of the Cosmic Inherent Memory series. When Hanafusa prepared his canvas, he deliberately loosened it a bit on the wooden frame. Because of gravity, the paints flowed and converged at the center of the sunken canvas. Again, he is using a natural element to complete the work. The paints dried into traces of bubbles and wrinkles. For him, they resemble our inherent memories of the primordial cosmos. Hanafusa believes that all human beings have such memories of the beginning of the universe. It is these memories that make us interconnected. What makes this exhibition particularly interesting is that we are exhibiting his paintings next to his carpentry work. It is less known that Hanafusa is a practicing carpenter of traditional Japanese furniture. So he actually has a dual identity. He's a painter as well as a carpenter. Well, in East Asian philosophies, you can't degrade one from the other because carpenters are not artisans. In early China thought, traditional carpentry is a field that perhaps produced most metaphors about nature and artificiality. Taking this table, for example, Hanafusa used the outer side of the timber to function as the outer side of the table. And he artfully used this natural curve of the wood to orient his tabletop. Through the furniture and the painting, which are placed next to each other, we see how an artist utilizes nature while also explores the spontaneity of nature under his calculated control. This is an interesting paradox. The tension between action and non-action and the delicate balance made between them is the thing we want to convey to the audience. I would describe Hanafusa's work as essentially icosophical. They are full of wisdom.